Good evening. So I think peer pressure is a mere stress because we have a purpose in life, all of us. We are born to do something. And you know, like peer pressure, what peers are doing, they sometimes pick the wrong fields. They sometimes say us to take commerce because it's a nice field, it earns money. They sometimes say to take science field. But it's just that you have to select choices for your own life. It's your life. You have to drive it. You're the champion of your life. Your life is in your own hands. You shouldn't make choices given by your peers. So I think peer pressure is a mere stress. Thank you.
Topic for him is teenagers of 2020. Are we super confident or are we super arrogant?
I am Amok and I strongly believe that being overconfident is not good for our life. It's about how we take things, and I think being arrogant also pushes me in life on how you take responsibilities. It is, if you are overconfident, you may feel like you're not doing something good, or you may feel like you're doing things good. But when it actually comes to doing things, you will not realize what you're doing. Being arrogant is something which helps you build more in your life, makes you stronger, and it also makes you, it also brings you courage. And say for example, we have exams, and the last time we performed, we scored good marks, that is maybe out of 40, we scored 35 or 37. So, and now we are overconfident that the present exam we are going to score well. And if you are...
According to you, which was better, online classes or regular school?
So I think regular class is better than online class because in regular class we are in a classroom with all of our friends. We are around many people and that helps us a lot. In regular class the teacher is right in front of us. So when they're right in front of us we pay more attention. But in online class it's a bit boring to just listen to the class, and then at the same time in online class the screen will it's not good for your eyes, just looking at the screen the whole day. And then even during tests, in online class you have to write tests in online, which is not good because people can cheat. And in regular class, you're always there and you are paying attention to class. And I think regular class is better.
I know. Okay, the topic for him is, do you prefer online shopping or regular shopping?
I say store shopping is best because we can choose our own color and we can check the sizes if they are correct or not, and we can trial it if it fits for us. But in online shopping we can't see those stuff, and it might go and we may get different sizes in online shopping. In online shopping, they may do pranks by giving us different colors.
Customs and traditions, are they necessary or unnecessary?
கஸ்டம்ஸ் அண்ட் ட்ரெடிஷன்ஸ் வந்து நெசசரின்னு தான் நான் சொல்கிறேன். பிகாஸ் அதெல்லாம் நம்மளோட ஒரு சேஃப்டிக்காக தான் அவங்க இதெல்லாம் மேக் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்காங்க. பட் சம் சுச்சுவேஷன்ஸில் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஓவராக இருக்கும், அதனால அது நம்ம கொஞ்சம் அவாய்ட் பண்ணலாம். பட் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் கேர்ள்ஸ் அவ்வளோ வெளில போகக்கூடாது சொல்லுவாங்க. அது ஏன்னா அது கேர்ள்ஸோட சேஃப்டிக்காக தான். ஏன்னா இப்போல்லாம் அவ்வளோ சேஃபாக இருக்கிறது இல்லை கேர்ள்ஸ்லாம். ஸோ அது ஒரு சேஃப்டி தான். அதே மாதிரி ஈட்டிங்கில் ஒரு சில ட்ரெடிஷன்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதெல்லாம் வந்து அவங்க ஒரு சயின்டிஃபிக் இதுவாக தான், சயின்டிஃபிக் வேல பார்த்தா அது ரொம்ப கரெக்டாக இருக்கும், இதுவாக இருக்கும், ஸோ ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். அதனால அது இது பண்ணி வச்சுருப்பாங்க. ஸோ customs and traditions are necessary, but கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் லெவலில் இருக்கிறதுலாம் we should not நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணாமல் இருக்கலாம். கிடையாது. That's what I think.
Farhana's topic, women are more powerful than men, yes or no?
So I think no one is like. I don't think women are powerful than men, and I don't think men are powerful than women. Because I think both of them are equal, as they can take parts in everything. They can overcome each other. I think it's a competition for men and women to like in different parts. They can like overcome their power, and they can like they can overcome their power, and like if women men in different sports, women can even be in the sports, and both of them can like be each competitor and win the competition together, or like women can like defeat them in different strategies and other things. I feel both of them are equal, and like no one is stronger than each other. Thank you.
Okay, the topic for Jagrati is, if I could eat a type of food forever, what food would that be?
Good evening, myself Jagruti. So I got a topic that what you would prefer for eating, junk food or healthy food. I prefer junk food because everyone likes junk food, and I love junk food. Right. It tastes so good. It's but it's not good for the health.
Time up. So the topic for Kritik is, which do you think is better? Co-educational schools or a all-boys, all-girls school?
Good evening, Kritik here to talk to you. I think a co-education school is better than better because co-education school because co-education schools will have nearly in one class will have 20 to 30 boys, and we can chat with the boys, we can play, and they will understand our when we are friends now, they will understand our mind and they will act to it. And co-education school, they will have PT period, they will play, all of them will play football, cricket, but boys or girls school, the boys will play cricket, some girls will play some other games, so we can live free in the classes.
So topic for Tanya is, should mobile phones be allowed in school?
Yes, because I'm the student of the school, not the teacher. Obviously, the teachers will say no because mobile phones are a big distraction. There are many schools who do allow mobile phones, but I don't think it's much of use abroad. I think every school allows mobile phones. It is useful when it comes to researches, but again, there are computer labs, there are internet at school. We can definitely use them. But I would say I would definitely prefer phones. I would like it is easier to contact, it's easier to look at, it's easier to research with. Yeah, and I would say no as well because it's a huge distraction. Messages, calls, notifications, and everything. But computers help us better because I think they're blocked and we have a certain age of point in which we can search, and yeah, that.
What language do you speak, do you feel comfortable when you speak to your friends? Is it your mother tongue or is it English? And if you do talk in English, is it for style or is it for comfort?
So obviously the answer is English because my mother tongue is actually Korea. So
most of my friends won't understand it. And, English is way better because you never know, like, they don't know they might not know my mother tongue. And for speaking English, it's not because of style. Like, most of the people know English nowadays. It's like a very common language, and it's like you can talk really comfortably in English with your friends. Like you did. And
we should be able to choose our own bedtimes, whether we want to go to bed early or we want to go to bed late.
So I think going to bed early is much better, so that we can also, we can have a healthy life. And instead of, if you're sleeping late and watching YouTube and having fun in front of the TV, it is not good actually to our health and eyes. It affects our eyes, which is not good. So I think going to bed early is good, and you can maintain the timing, like, for instead of sleeping like more than 10 p.m. you can instead sleep before than that, so that same instead of to lead a healthy life.
Topic for Karthik is social media advantages, disadvantages.
எனக்கு சோஷியல் மீடியா வந்து அட்வான்டேஜான தோணுது. ஏன்னா நான் நிறைய பேர் வேறு வேறு டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்ல இருந்தாங்க, ஃபுட் அந்த மாதிரி ஹெல்ப் கேட்டாங்க, ஷெல்டர் அந்த மாதிரிலாம். ஆனால் அந்த சோஷியல் மீடியா யூஸ் பண்ணி அங்கே இருக்கிறவங்களை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணி அதனால நிறைய ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடிஞ்சிச்சு. இப்போ வார்தா புயல் வந்துச்சு, அதனாலையும் நிறைய பேர் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க சோஷியல் மீடியாவில். அதே மாதிரி டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜும் இருக்குது சோஷியல் மீடியாவில். நிறைய பேர் தப்பான விஷயத்தெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. அப்புறம் சில்ட்ரன்ஸ்லாம் ரொம்ப அந்த சோஷியல் மீடியாவில் என்கேஜாக இருக்காங்க. ஏதாச்சும் மீம்ஸ் பேசி, என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸும் அதே மாதிரி தான் மீம்ஸ்னால ரொம்ப அந்த மீம்ஸ் வச்சு பேசிக்கிட்டே இருக்காங்க. அதனால விளாடவும் மாட்டாங்க, பேசிக்கிட்டே இருப்போம். அதனால ஃபிசிக்கல் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் ரொம்ப குறையுது. எனக்கு வந்து சோஷியல் மீடியா அட்வான்டேஜ் தான், ஆனால் எல்லாத்துக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ.